Baby say, Anyola mamiri na FM. Say, Anyola mamiri na FM.
One word now. Which one be one whole sentence?
Okay. Anyola mo.
Anyola mo.
Mamiri.
Mamiri.
Na FM.
Nezemo.
FM.
FM.
Good. Anyola mamiri na FM. Anyola mo mamiri. Anyola mamiri na FM.
Maybe you're going too fast and that word is long.
Anyola mamiri.
Anyola namiri.
Mamiri.
Mamiri.
Na.
FM.
FM. Good. You know what it means?
No, I have no idea.
Okay, it means you have piss on your pants. Let's confirm. You don't piss for your pants?
What did they teach me?
I did teach you, but now.
What did they teach me nonsense?
No,
I piss for my pants.
Now you're supposed to ask now. You're saying you're not remembering the effect.
Look at my clothes.